Hi everyone, welcome back to Mr. Soul. We are learning Google Earth Pro. Let's go to the desktop application. In this video, we will learn how to mark a route of any site given to the DT engineer for the drive test. And in this video, we will learn how to mark the route. First of all, we need to mark the route of this site. The site ID is 2090. First of all, we will click on My Places, right click, add folder, and we give a name to the folder 2090 site routes. Click on OK. After that, we will select this and click on this button, add path. Click on that, and we will write there sector 1 route. And after that, we will zoom to the sector 1 and mark the route. Just click on that and to the street number 10, street 10A, and we will select the marker on the place. Move, we will navigate the map by arrow keys button on our keyboard. We will learn in the previous video how to use a navigation. Long press the left key of the touchpad or a mouse, and you can drag this point. Just go back and at this route we need to mark the route till that place because there is no near site. You can check out the site. Here is a micro site available, one sector site, and there are no nearest site are available. So we will zoom and mark the route like that. Zoom by mouse wheel or using a touchpad. We will mark the street number 9, and I think so here is a street between these. We'll back to this street. We'll back to right there. If you mark the wrong place, you can use the delete button. Just zoom to see where we are. Delete button. You can use the delete button to go back. So here is the pointer, and when hand option is appear, you can drag this point to back this place. So drag there and back to that point, again back to that. Move the map by using the arrow key button. Select this route and select the main road. So zoom out to see the sector number 1 route. Select that, select till that, and now mark the street number 10. You can see that. Go back, long press the button and adjust the marker point. Go to the street number 12. Again go back, long press When hand option is appear, then go to the street number 11, and you can see that the routes are appear in front of a sector is marked, and you can save that. It's a first sector route saved. Just click on that and rename the second sector or a sector 2. Just click on that point. You can adjust that according to your desired position by moving that. So go to the street number 14, back to the street number 15, zoom this place, so you can see that there is another street are available for drive. Yes, here is a street till the base of another site. Go back right there. You can move the map by using the arrow key. Mark that route, and here is also a street available. Mark the street. These all are dead end. I think so. There, these routes are enough for the drive, and now you can. Here is a route in the base of the site. We can also mark that route in sector 2, and in sector 3 we will mark all these remaining routes. Just click on OK, and I will drag this to third sector to view the proper route. So I will add the third sector route. I will rename this to sector 3 route and drag route from that place to. So I will delete. Click on that. I will drive this straight. So back to the main point. If you place a wrong marker place, if you mark a wrong place, then you can go to the point and a hand is appeared on a point. Long press the left button from your touchpad or a keyboard and adjust the point. Then you will move to the next point. We should go to right there, and here is we need to mark the route. Click to adjust by drag and drop. Click on that and go back to the point and mark that point, and again adjust the map by using the arrow key. The dot you are last selected is highlighted by a blue, so that we should click on that, so the last point should be highlighted, and in this way you can adjust the marker point to mark the route. So I think so all the possible routes are marked. You can mark more route according to your requirements. So I will click on OK. and I will remove the side name. And here is, you can see that the route are marked on front of all three sector of the site. So I will uncheck the cell as well as also, and I will click on 2090 site route and click on save places as. I will save this file to 2090 site routes, and I will highlight sector 1, sector 2, or sector 3. I will save. We will go to Google Earth on web to verify the marked route. Here we will upload the file as a import KML or KMZ file. So we have saved route by name to 090 site route S1, S2 and S3. Click on open, and you can check out on map that the route we have marked are appear below. As it is, we can change its property, style and color, share style and color, and we can change the color according to our desire, which color we want. We can select and we can change. So in this way we can change the color. If we will not, if we want to give a separate color for the separate sector, then we click the sector 1, go to its property, and we can choose the road for that sector 1. Same as it is, we will choose the road color. For the sector 2 we will choose the different color, so it will differentiate, so like that. And sector 3 color, it's a light color, so you want to choose some. In this way you can choose three different color for the different routes. There are three different routes for the sector 1, sector 2 or a sector 3. In this way you can change the color of your road, and after that you will click on save places as, and I will replace this file with the new one, and again we will verify the through the web portal. So I will delete this file. I want to clear all this file, so the updated file will show a results. So I have deleted all this file. Click on a file, import KML or KMZ file, and here is our latest export. You can see that, and in this way we can mark the row. We will discuss a new topic on the next lecture.